Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about how to add a signature in PDF. You can do that multiple way, but I will show you an easiest way. You can see here is a software JOPDF. You can download and install in your PC. It's a very small file. You can install within a few seconds. So first of all, open this software and then you can see multiple option. Click to edit PDF and then select a PDF file which one you want to edit. You can see it's our PDF file, and now I want to add a signature in this space. First of all, click to add image. After that, you can see a new icon to drag a space. Drag a space in here, and now insert your signature. And that's it. It's a very easiest way to add a signature in PDF file. After finishing, just click to save icon to save this. I hope this video will help you to understand how to add a signature in PDF file. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.